Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to ASTRA 2022 program presented by Akka IAS Academy. In this day 11th program, I'll be dealing with few of the problems based on probability. In the previous video, I have explained the basic concepts based upon probability, what you need to know prior to solving these questions. Okay, so let's begin. So first question is, in a simultaneous toss of two coins, there are two coins, then find the probability of two tails. Okay, the question tells that they are flipping two coins, so what is the probability of two tails? Okay, say options are 1 by 4, 4, 1 and 2 by 4. Okay, so probability, we know the formula, right? Probability, in the previous video I have explained what is probability. That is sum of observations divided by total number of possibilities. Okay, so here, see here, actually what happens is there are two coins, right? So the formula I have told you how to write the formula, what are the total probability if at all two coins are being tossed. Okay, so there are totally, when two coins are tossed, there are totally four probabilities. Okay, so four possibilities, four different types of possibilities. Okay, so two coins are has been tossed. Okay, so what is the possibilities here? Head and head, okay, tail and head, and head and tail, and tail and tail. Okay, these are the four different possibilities when you flip when you flip two coins. Okay, so what the questions are, then find the probability of two tails. So two tails I will be getting only one times, right? So 1 divided by 4 is the answer. Okay, two tail only one chance I will be getting out of four chances, four different possibilities. I am getting two tails only one time. So 1 by 4 is the answer for this. So option A is the right answer here. Okay, simple, right? So you need to write the formula. You need to remember the formula in a precise manner. Okay, moving on to the next question. Three coins are tossed. How many coins are tossed here? There are three coins which are being tossed. Find the probability of all are heads. Okay, the three coins should also be heads only. Okay, so there are three coins. Okay, what is the total possibilities? Actually, that is total possibilities is 8. Okay, when you are flipping three coins, you are getting 8 different possibilities. How I am getting 8? This I have explained in the previous concept video. Okay, if at all you have not watched the video, I request you to go to the previous video, watch the video, and then come and attend the questions. Okay, so observations, what the question is asking, find the probability of all or heads. Okay, all or head means coin 1, coin 2 and coin 3. They should be head, and they should be head, and they should be head. Only one possibility will be getting, right? All are heads. So 1 by 8. Okay, this is the answer here. Simple, right? If when you understand the concept, arriving to the answer will be very much easy. Okay, no need to write sum of observations divided by possibility, this the formula and all, it will be in your head only. Okay, so 1 by 8 is the correct answer here. See, 1 by 8. Okay, so moving on to the next question. In a single throw of two dice, okay, there are two dice. Okay, there are two dice in a single throw. Okay, they are throwing it only one times. There are two dice, they are throwing it only one times. Find the probability of getting a total of 3 or 5. Okay, this is the question here. And these are four different options. Option A 36, B 1 by 6, C 2 by 36 and D 4 by 36. Okay, I will be solving it in the next page here. See, if two dice are thrown, okay, whenever the dice are thrown, if two dice are thrown, then the total possibility is 36. How I got this 36? Actually, if one dice is thrown, there are 6 different possibilities, right? So if at all one dice is thrown, 6 to the power of 1, that will be 6 here. If at all two dice are thrown, so each dice will be having 6 different possibilities. So 6 to the power of 2, so 6 6 is 36. Okay, 6 6 is 36. So if in the question they are telling that two dice are thrown, okay, so there are 36 different possibilities. Yes or no? So we know the formula, right? Probability will be equal to sum of observations whole to the divided by total number of possibility. Whole divided by total number of possibility. Yes or no? So this will be equals to whole divided by 36. Yes or no? Whole upon 36. And the question tells the sum should be either 3 or sum should be either 5. Okay. So how I'll get sum should be either 3. In 3, for 3 I should get the die should be showing 1 and 2. Yes or no? Or else 2 or 1. To count, the total count should be 3. So then the dice should be showing 1 and 2 or 2 or 1. Yes or no? This is the problem. These are the different types of cases. So to get 3 there are 2 possibilities, and to get 5 how many possibilities are there? Yes or no? 1 and 4 the die should be showing, or else 4 and 1 the die should be showing, or else 2 and 3 the die should be showing, or else 3 and 2 the die should be saying. So there are 4 different possibilities here. Yes or no? So what is the question says? In a single throw of dice, find the probability of getting a total of 3 or 5. Okay, the question says 3 or 5. 3 or 5. So what you need to do when or is there? We need to add here. Okay, this caution you need to take here, 3 or 5. So 3 cases there in to get 3 how many possibilities are there? There are 2 possibilities, or plus we need to add, and to get 5 how many different possibilities are there? 4 possibilities. So there are total 6 different possibilities. So out of total probability what is this? 6 upon 36. 6 1 times and 6 6 times. So 1 by 6 is the probability. 1 by 6 is the probability. Yes or no? This is the answer here. Okay. See, while seeing option only, there are 4 different options, right? In a single throw of 2 dice, find the probability of getting a total number of 3 or 5. When you look at the options, option A, option B, option C and option D, see, option A obviously can be eliminated. Oh, yes or no? See, there are 36 different possibilities are there. Without writing, without working, without taking pen or paper only, you will be arriving to the answer. How means there are 36 possibilities are there, that you need to understand. Okay, 36 total possibilities are there, and actually 2 dice have been thrown. Yes or no? And the question asks to getting a total of 3 or 5. Okay, obviously option B can be eliminated, see, option C can be eliminated here. 2 upon 36 is there. To get a total of 3 or 5, or means we need to add. So to get a possibility of 3, 2 observations are there, and to get a observation to possibilities of 5, to get a combination of 5, there will be 4 different options, right? So only for 3 we are getting 2 here, so option C can be eliminated here, and option 4 also can be eliminated here, because for only 5 to get 5 we have 4 different possibilities, and we need also to check for 3 different possibilities, right? So option C and option D obviously can be eliminated, right? And option A, while seeing option A only we can eliminate, right? So without working it also we can we will be able to arrive to the answer here by looking at the options only. So 1 by 6 is the right answer here. See, this proficiency, by looking at the options only, you need to you'll be arriving to the answer. This proficiency when you will get means you need to solve more different types of problems here. Okay, based on a single concept only, you need to solve more different types of problems. Then only you will be able to pick the right answer from the options itself. Okay, so moving on to the next question. In a single throw of 2 dice, okay, there are 2 dice that have been thrown. Find the probability of getting a total of 12. See, in the previous question I have discussed, right? By looking at the options only you will be able to arrive to the answer. Based upon that concept, see here, option 1 obviously it can be eliminated. 1 will not be the answer here. Okay, option B can also be eliminated here. Only 36 cannot be option here. So between 3 C and D lies the option here, right? So if at all, see here, option D is 2 by 36. Okay, 2 1 times and 2 1 times and 2, so 1 by 18 the answer will be option will be getting here. Okay, and what is this 2? Actually, in a single throw 2 dice, find the in a single throw of 2 dice, find the probability of getting total of 12. Okay, so you need to get 12. How will you be getting 12? See here, you need to get 12 from two different dice. Means in one dice it should be showing 6, and in other dice also it should be showing 6. Okay, no less than 6 number you will be arriving to the option 12. Okay, so there is only one possibility here. Okay, there is only one possibility. So out of total 36 possibilities, yes or no? By looking at the option only you will be able to arriving to the answer here. Yes or no? See, when you get the concepts in very crystal clear, then the arriving to the answer will be in a very easy method. Okay, so you try to get the concepts clear and try to solve as many as problems based upon this probability. Actually, in the UPSC prelims paper, actually these kinds of question, based upon probability, you will be expecting in a very less chances are there. These kinds of questions will be arriving. But to stay in a safer side, few of the basic concepts. Okay, no, you need not to go in a higher method. Okay, you need not to go in a deeper method. So few basic concepts you need to remember, then only you will be able to solve it in a very easy method. Okay, so moving on to the next question. A bag contains 6 red balls and 4 yellow balls. So there is a bag here. Okay, it contains 6 red balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are red balls here, and 4 yellow balls. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 yellow balls here. Okay, yellow balls. There are 4 yellow balls and 6 red balls here. Okay, 4 balls are picked at random. So out of this 6 plus 4, out of this 10 balls, 4 balls are picked. Out of this 10 balls, there are 4 balls are picked. What is the probability that 3 are red and 1 is yellow? So out of this 4, 3 should be red and 1 should be yellow. Okay, see here, for this kinds of questions, the concept, the formula, what you need to write, I have explained in the previous video. Okay, so if at all you have not watched the previous video, I request you to go and watch the previous video and come back and solve the question here. See, and also take care of this question. I have always told you. See here, what question you need to take. What is the probability that 3 are red? Okay, 3 are red, and is there here. Okay, and is there. And means what you need to do? And means you need to multiply. Yes or no? If at all 3 red balls or 1 yellow ball is there, then you need to add. Okay, then you need to add. Okay, or is there, then you need to add, and is there, then you need to multiply. This question you need to take while solving the problems. Okay, so I'll solve it in the next page here. So we know the formula, right? What is the probability? It is actually the sum of observation by possibility. Sum of observation whole divided by different possibilities, total number of possibilities. Okay, possibilities. This is the formula. Okay, probability, right? Okay, see, in a slow manner I'll be dealing with this question. If at all you find this video slow, kindly watch it in a 1.5 speed and try to understand the concept, how I am writing the formula here. Okay, then only when you get the concepts clear, then only you'll be able to write in a faster pace. Okay, see here, question says 6 red balls and 4 yellow balls are there in a bag. Question says 6 red balls and 4 yellow bags are there in a bag. Okay, what is our target? We need to pick 4 different balls. 4 balls are need to be picked here. Okay, this is our target. Out of this 4 balls, what is the possibility of getting 3 red ball and 1 yellow ball? This is the question, right? See here, I will be writing the equation here. Okay, so 6C3. What is this 6C3? Out of 6 balls, there are 6 out of 6 balls. What combination I need to arrive? 3 balls I need to pick. Okay, we need to pick 3 balls. Out of 6 balls, we need to pick 3 balls. Okay, so here totally there are 6 red balls. Okay, totally there are 6 red balls. In that 6 red balls, I need to pick 3 red balls. Okay, so totally 6 red balls are there. I need to pick 3 red balls. This is the formula 6C3. Okay, okay, and the question says and. Question says and. When and is there, you need to multiply. So I will write 6C3 and I am multiplying here. And how many yellow balls are there? 4 yellow balls are there. So in that 4 yellow balls, the 4 yellow balls combination, I need to get 1 yellow ball. Yes or no? I need to pick 1 yellow ball. So 6C3 into 4C1. This is the above formula I will be getting here. Okay, this formula you need to take care while writing. Okay, see here, the formula will be 6C3 into 4C1 upon, see here, upon. So how many total balls are there? Actually 6 plus 4, 6 red balls and 4 yellow balls. So there are totally 10 balls. Out of the 10 balls, we are picking 4 balls. 10C4. Understood, guys? Why I have written like this? Total number of possibilities. Yes or no? Based upon the formula. See here. What is the probability formula? That is actually sum of observations. Sum of observations divided by total possibilities. Okay. This is the formula here. Okay. This is the observations. What we need to make. What the questions are. 6C3. Out of 6 red balls, 3 red balls should be there, and out of 4 yellow balls, 1 yellow ball should be there. So 6C3 and why means we need to multiply here. 6C3 balls and 4 red ball, 1 white, 1 yellow ball. Okay, out of how many balls? Out of 10 balls. So how many balls have been picked? 4 balls have been picked. Okay, this is the formula here. So now upon writing this in a very clear manner, the solving becomes very easy here. Okay, 6C3 means 6 should be reduced 3 times. 6 into 5 into 4 whole divided by 3 into 2 into 1. This should be multiplied. 4C1 means 4 should be reduced 1 times, that is 4 whole divided by 10C4. 10 should be reduced 4 times. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 whole divided by 4 is there. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you need to solve this. See here, actually small numbers are there, though solving becomes very much easier here, right? So here 3 to 1, 2 and 3, 2 3s are 6 and this 6 gets cancelled here. Okay, I'll be using a different ink here. So 2 and 3, 2 3s are 6 and this 6 gets cancelled here. Yes or no? And in the below in the denominator, actually there are how it can be cancelled here. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, and 3 3s I will be getting here, and 4 1 times and 4 2 times I'll be getting here. Okay, see here, I'll be writing here once more. 5 into 4 into 4 in the above case here. Okay, and then 10 into 3 into 7 I'll be getting here. Okay, upon solving, see we can also divide here as 5 1 times and 5 2 times and 2 1 times and 2 2 times. Okay, so then 4 into 2, that will be 8, and 7 3s are 21. So 8 by 21 is the answer here. Yes or no? 8 by 21 is the answer. Okay, so 8 by 21 lies in the option A. So option A is the right answer here. Okay guys, so thus the concept you need to understand in a very clear manner, then only you will be arriving to the answer in a in easy method. Okay, see, I have explained it in detail and it takes very much time. Okay, if at all you solve this, solve this more these kinds of questions more frequently, then only substitution is the key here. Okay, in one step you will be substituting here, and in another step you will be solving it here. Okay, then only you will be arriving to the answer in 2 steps only. Okay, moving on to the next question. In a simultaneous toss of 2 coins, how many coins they are tossing? 2 coins they are tossing. Then find the probability of no tail. Okay, probability will be no tail. No tail means there are only see, two coins they are tossing. Okay, head and head will be one probability, and tail and head will be another probability, head and tail will be another probability, and tail and tail will be another probability. So in all the three cases tail is there. The question says then find the probability of no tail. No tail means only one chance is there. So 1 upon 4. This is the answer here. Option B is the right answer here. Yes or no? So moving on to the next question. 3 coins are tossed here. 3 coins are tossed. Find the probability of all our heads. Okay, all our head means head, head, head. Only one probability is there. Okay, only one probability is there. So 3 coins are tossed, right? So to 3 coins are tossed means for each coin there will be having 2 possibilities. So 3 coins are tossed, 2 to the power 3, that will be 8. So 1 upon 8 is the answer here. See, option B is the right answer. Yes or no? When you get the concepts clearly, in one step only you will be writing the answer here. Okay, try to remember the formula and try to analyze the concepts try to get your concepts in a clear format. Then only you will be arriving to the right answer in a easy method. Okay guys, moving on to the next question. So the passage is, we have hard work ahead. There is no resting for any of us till we redeem our pledge into fulfill. We make all the people for India what destiny intends to them to be. We are citizens of a great country on the verge of bold advance, and we have to live it up to high standard. All of us, to whatever religion we may belong, are equally the children of India with equal rights, privileges and obligations. We cannot encourage communalism or narrow-mindedness, for no nation can be great whose people are narrow in thought or action. Okay, so the passage is having the theme of equality, right? So what is the question here? The challenge the author of the above passage throws to the public is to achieve. Okay, the challenge the author of the above passage throws to the public is to achieve, option A, high standard of living, progress and privileges. Okay, a high standard. It is not a challenge, right? The question speaks about the challenge, a high standard of living, progress and privileges, equal privileges, fulfillment of destiny and political tolerance. Okay, equal privileges is the option. It's the most probable as for now. I'll be dealing with seeing the third and fourth option as well. Spirit of adventure and economic parity. No, actually this is also wrong here. Hard work, brotherhood and national unity. Okay, this is also wrong here. Why wrong? Because spirit of adventure. Okay, spirit of adventure and economic parity. Okay, the passage tells that all of us, to whatever religion we may belong, are equally the children of India with equal rights, privileges and obligations. Okay, the rights, privileges and obligations it is speaking. So option C and option D can be eliminated here. Okay, while looking at the portion only. Option A high standard of living, progress and privileges. Okay, see here, it's also in the passage it's also speaking about the obligations as well. Okay, obligations as well. Okay, hence option A can be eliminated. Okay, option B, equal privileges, fulfillment of destiny and political tolerance. Okay, so this is the most probable option here. Okay, yes or no? So moving on to the next passage. The individual, according to Rousseau, puts his person and all his power in common under the supreme direction of general will. Okay, under the supreme direction of general will, and in our corporate capacity we receive each member as an indivisible part of whole. Okay, it's a small passage. According to Rousseau, what Rousseau puts is a person and all his power in common under supreme direction of general will. Okay, under supreme direction of general will means the decision of all the people should be taken care of. So under the supreme direction of general will and in our corporate capacity we receive each member as an indivisible part of whole. Okay, so each member is an indivisible part of whole. That means actually the voice of each person shall be heard in the general will. Actually the question the passage implies. Okay, so what is the question here? In the light of the above passage, the nature of general will is best described as. Okay, is best. What do you mean by general will? It is best described as, okay, option A, the sum total of all private wills of the individual. See here in the last sentence I told you, right, what is general will. Okay, the passage says, according to Rousseau, puts his personal and all his power in a common under supreme direction of general will, and in our corporate capacity we receive each member, see here, each member as an indivisible part. Each member is an indivisible part of the whole. Okay, so each member voice shall be heard in the general will of the total general will, of the common general will. Okay, this is the idea of the passage. So in the light of the above passage, the nature of general will is best described as the sum total of private wills of the individual. The sum total of private wills of the individual. This is the most probable answer here, but we will also be checking the other three options as well, because in the passage there will be two or three in times when in the case when they are making the passage tougher, two options will be there. Okay, two options will be there which seems right. So the more right option we need to pick. Okay, so what we need to do while dealing with the passage is here, the more wrong option we need to eliminate here. Okay, so then only we'll be arriving to the more right option. See here, option B says, what is articulated by the elected representatives of the individual. No, this is wrong here. The collective good as distinct from private wills of the individual, as distinct is there, so this is also wrong here. The material interest of the community, nowhere in this the passage speaks about the material interest, so hence option A is the right answer here. Moving on to the next passage. A successful democracy depends upon widespread interest and participation in politics, in which voting is an essential part. Okay, what is essential part here? Voting is an essential part. To deliberately refrain from taking such an interest and from voting is kind of implied anarchy. If at all that person wills not to vote, then it is nothing but anarchy. It is to refuse one's political responsibility while enjoying the benefits of the free political society. If at all the voting right, what actually the passage speak here says, for a successful democracy, the voting right, okay, which in the voting right, what the democracy has been given to individuals, in which voting right is an essential part. Okay, if at all a person refrains from voting, okay, intentionally he doesn't exercise that voting right, okay, intentionally he avoids voting, so it is nothing but it is an anarchy. Okay, it is to refuse one's political responsibility while enjoying the benefits of free political society. He is enjoying the consequences of that free political society, but he refuses to vote, but he refuses to take up the responsibility to vote to the right member. Okay, so the question is, the passage relates to duty of vote, duty to vote, right to vote, freedom to vote, right to participate in the politics. Okay, the passage relates to more of a duty. Okay, because in the passage we say, we will see here, to deliberately refrain from taking such interest. When you can refrain, when there is a duty and it is your choice to refrain from the duty. Okay, to deliberately refrain from taking such interest and from voting is a kind of implied anarchy. So this is the idea of the passage. Hence duty to vote is the more right option here. Okay, so option A is the right answer here. So this is it, friends. This was the last question for this video. Hope you find this video informative. So friends, kindly share and subscribe to our channel. Kindly do like and comment in the comment section. It encourages us to bring the quality content. Thank you. God bless you all. We shall meet up in the next video. Thank you guys.